Hey, what's up guys, it's Vince back with another video. So a year ago I purchased this item right in front of me from Indiegogo. I almost forgot about it. It is because they keep on delaying on their delivering schedule, so time after time I completely forgot about it until a week ago. There is a package outside my house with my name on it. At that time I was a little bit confused because I wasn't expecting any package at that time of period. So I open it and there it is. Alright, so let's get into it. Basically this is a portable folding stand using a technique called the origami. If you don't know, origami is a word coming from Japanese mean art of paper folding. First of all, you see there's 4 colors over here. This is the bamboo, green ink, the galaxy splash. And this is my favorite, which is the white marble. I'm going to open this first and I will show you all the colors at the end of the videos. Don't worry. So you see a little tube, circle, cylinder things. I will get back to it. So according to their website, there is 2 styles of folding this stand. So I'm going to show you both. First of all, I will show you the first style. So you see there's a lot of patterning on this cardboard right here. So this is actually help you to guide you how to fold the stand. So I'm going to show you the style 1 first. So you can feel little magnets over here to help you. You can see through the cameras. So this is style 1. At this position, this is perfect for your small objects like a smartphone. So I got a Galaxy Note 9 here. It's a quite large phone, and it fits perfectly. And you can also use this style as a laptop stand. I don't mean actually put a laptop on top of it, but let me show you. You can put a laptop on top of this stand. So now you got a little bit angle. So you can have a better typing experience. So you may think, how about larger devices? Or maybe you want to put your phone on the portrait position. Doesn't fit like, right? See your phone keep falling down. And how about putting an iPad? Doesn't work, isn't it? So that's why you need style 2. First, put it back to the flat position again. Alright, watch carefully. In this position. Show you again. So the magnet still helps you to get in position. Alright, as you notice, there's a much larger surface at the back now. So it's perfect now for putting larger devices like an iPad or put it on portrait with your phone. This is great, right? Alright, so there's one more test I would like to do with this stand, because on the package it says water resistant right here. For real life usage, I think it is necessary for durability. So I will now pour some water on it and see how it holds on to it. Okay, I think that's enough. And yeah, the stand didn't absorb any water, and let's wipe it off. Yep, and it's still dry. No problem. So it is water resistant. Last but not least, as you can see the package, there's 2 little circle cylinder little things over here. So let me open it and show you guys what it is. So this too is actually a cable tie, which ties up your cables when you want to charge your devices on the stand. With a magnet at the back, it will stick either side of the stand. It is a pretty neat feature to have a little cable management on the go. So that's it guys. If you are interested, I will leave a link down below. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. If you would like to see more, please hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.